We want to head over here to the Mozaik place, and exactly, you will see mosaics in that location. Let's go and see what they look like now. This Mozaik place, great place to come visit. Come right here and you can see right down below there's all the different mosaics underneath the ground. Beautiful. Stores has some beautiful mosaics underneath. Different geometric ones. The store, it's a great store to come to. A lot of different knickknacks, souvenirs, beauty of the place, and kitties, the most important thing. And up from the glass, you can look through the edge. And again, some beautiful mosaics down here. Got some you have some different geometric shapes. And it's actually getting wet. Some of these shapes you can't really see all they actually dug out before.